poems. Lots of funny ones that were riddles. Some that were about seasons and different things. But today you're going to start writing your own, go ahead, Jamari, your own poetry. Your own poem. You get to be the author. You get to write your own poem. What are some things that you've seen in the poems we've read so far this year? Raise your hand. And talk about some of the things that when you get out your poetry notebook and you start to visualize and circle things, what are some of the things you're finding in your poems? Christina? Okay, the Christmas tree and the pumpkin poems. What are some of those things you found in the poem, in the words or the texts? Because poems have lines, right?
Right.
Lots of lines. What are some of the things you're seeing in the words of the poem? Jaden.
Five little. Like there's lots of different poems that start with five little.
Oh, okay, lots of poems. They're kind of a pattern, like 5 little pumpkins, 5 little leprechauns.
Five
All right.
little penguins.
Okay. Now, so what do we circle in the poems, though? What kind of words?
Rhyming.
Rhyming words. Some poems have rhyming words. Some poems are just about... Ooh. Please hold your markers and your boards. Thank you. Control yourselves. All right, so today we're going to write an I am poem. What do you think would be in a poem that's called I am? Raise your hand what you think you might be writing about in an I am poem. Casey, what do you think? Oh, okay, I am in first grade. You would be writing about who? You. All about you. That's pretty cool. You just wrote an autobiography. Now you get to write a poem about yourself. Kingston? Oh, I am smart. Those are all good ideas. All right, now let's look at the poem a little bit about what you're going to be writing today. Ashaya, can you turn off the lights, please? Jamari, please come back to the carpet so you can see what we're going to be doing. Okie dokie. All right. It says at the very top, I am poem. There's lots of different things you're going to be filling in. You're going to be writing each sentence, each line. You're going to make it up about you. So let's talk about some of the lines. It says, I am blank. You get to decide what you would write. I want you to brainstorm an idea on your dry erase board. I am what?
Fun.
Happy. Ooh, okay. I am. Ooh, I am having a good time in spring. I am happy. Both of those make sense. Can you write something like, I am jump?
No. I jump.
Right, your sentence. I am jumping. Your sentences need to make sense. Are you a leprechaun?
No.
No?
Or you could say I am having fun.
Okay,
I
that's
am a
good.
little boy.
All right, cap your markers. I like your ideas. Let's keep reading through. Put your markers down and your boards down, and let's keep reading through the next lines. I wonder. I wonder.
I wonder how.
Wonder means think. So I wonder. What do you wonder about? Don't write on your dry erase board. We're not going to write all of them because we're going to go through and look. I wonder. What do you think about? It's not about spring. It's about yourself.
I wonder about spring.
I wonder about lots of different things.
I wonder about school.
I hear about things that you hear. This whole poem is all about you.
I hear math. I hear birds.
Oh, a bird.
I hear songs playing in the other classroom.
True, Jamari. That's something that really happens in our classroom.
About to say.
We hear songs in the other classroom. That's true. All right, let's keep going because we have to work through all of our poems. I see.
A teacher.
You see so many things in a day.
A butterfly. I see.
There's
a
squirrel.
on the star.
I
see my teacher.
That's
it.
Plenty of things to write about. All right.
I see.
The next one, I need your eyes. I want
I want to to be an
Turn to your neighbor and tell them about something you want. Jamar, you want to be an Isabindi? You leave me?
I want to be.
All right, hands, and eyes. Turn back towards me. You shouldn't have a marker or anything in your hand. Kira. Let's get through the rest of them and think what we're going to be writing. I want you to be visualizing, thinking about it, just like you do with the poems every week. Here's another one. I am. Plenty of ideas. What is this word?
Pretend.
Pretend. I pretend.
That I'm a pro. Like I pretend I'm a teacher.
Interesting. All right.
Logan just said, I pretend I am a princess.
Sometimes I pretend I'm a hairstylist.
Sometimes Miss Jordan and I, when we dance around in the music, we pretend we're
Grooving.
exactly dancers. Okay, let's keep going. Ooh, these are kind of things about our senses. I feel. Or it could be about your feelings.
I feel.
On the inside, do you know lots of poets? Listen. Lots of poets write about their feelings in poetry, about how they feel. I touch.
Trees.
Oh. Are you touching trees a lot of the time?
No. I touch all the time. Because my house some poisonous on.
Okay. I worry.
I worry about our teachers being sick.
Oh,
I worry
that's
about
really
teachers.
Listen, if you're all talking at the same time, you can't hear what your friends are saying. Jaden said something really good. I worry about getting bit by a snake. That's true. If you go in the woods, you could get bit by a snake. That's something to worry about.
It comes on
All
summer.
right, next one. I cry.
I cry when my dad has to go to the hospital. And at the school.
I cry.
I cry when my
And
dad
then
has to go here.
Okay.
I know.
And then here.
My teacher cry when I get
Listen, look, here it is again. I am. It repeats. It happens again. There's another I am line.
There's a long I am. What is I am?
All right,
that's how you feel it.
Here's the bottom. Oh, it's a little sideways. Sorry.
I understand.
I
understand your language.
Okay. I say. Think of something funny that you like to say a lot. Like Jeremiah says, barnacles. That's funny. That's something about him. Okay. I dream.
I dream about getting chased by a dinosaur.
That's gonna be something funny to write about.
I dream if I was a football player.
Would you like to read something that was super boring and says, I dream at night? No, tell us something cool that you can visualize.
I dream. I love it.
All right, stay with me for the last three. I try.
I try to be good.
Okay. I hope.
I hope I don't even see his writing.
Okay, and then the very last one, Ashaya, is what?
I am.
And that repeats again.
I am a little.
Each stanza or paragraph ends with I am. Interesting.
What does that? And all of them is I.
Okay, it's all about
Me.
you. That's why it all starts with I. So I want you to go back to your seat, put up your dry erase board.
I am good.
Remember that it all fits in one line, so you need to be writing where you can fit it. Each line is different. Alright. You can write more than one word, so get going with the rest of it. Alice. You want to write your whole name? I like it.
Likes to.
What does yours say?
I am a girl. I am. Here's the school.
Make sure you can fit way more than you know.
Good.
It says I am. You don't have to rewrite. I am. Like. I wonder. What do you wonder about, Logan?
I wonder just starting. I don't have any.
What do you wonder about? What do you think about?
I wonder that Jaden comes over on Saturday. I see my teacher. I am Karen Mackenzie Alice Daniels. I wonder what my future is going to be.
Wow.
That is awesome. And I wrote you a little funny message on it.
Do this say I learning
Ma'am?
Yeah,
I hear.
I hear Marty.
Who? I hear who talking? What do you wonder about? Alright, Vision, each line is different. We're not writing a paragraph on every line. Okay? Let's start. You wrote, I
feel sad when I'm not with my teacher.
I pretend. What do you pretend, Vision? That means like make believe. Like you could pretend to be a princess in a game or something. What do you pretend?
I am a good girl that is smart. I wonder what will I be when I grow up. I hear noise in the hallway a lot. I see teachers walking in the classrooms. I want to be my teacher's baby. I am a pretty princess. Marty paints.
I understand people from this. I say nothing about me. I tried to kill a spider. I hope everybody is good today.
I am Aaron.
I dream.